everyone. Welcome to Topic of the Day. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the appointment of Chief Justice of India. This is a clipping of The Hindu dated 27th August 2022, which talks about the farewell of our outgoing CJI Justice N.V. Ramanna and Justice Umesh Lalit being sworn in today as the new Chief Justice of India. So Justice Uday Umesh Lalit has been sworn in as the 49th Chief Justice of India. President Draupadi Murmu administered him the oath as CJI at the Rashtrapati Bhavan. He succeeded Justice N.V. Ramanna as the 48th CJI. Now here is a brief background of Justice Uday Umesh Lalit. He is the second direct appointee from the Bar Council of India to be appointed as the Chief Justice of India. Earlier, Justice S.M. Sikri was the first lawyer to be elevated directly to the top court bench in March 1964 and went on to become the 13th CJI in January 1971. Justice Lalit will retire on 8th November 2022. He will be in office for 74 days, which is a tenure shorter than average. If we talk about his brief background, he was appointed a judge of Supreme Court in 2014 and he was involved in some landmark judgments in the past, such as the Triple Talaq case. Before that, he was appointed a special public prosecutor for the CBI to conduct trial in the 2G spectrum allocation case. Now let us talk about the appointment of Chief Justice of India. The Constitution of India does not mention any procedure for appointing the Chief Justice of India. Article 124, Clause 1 of the Constitution merely says, there shall be a Supreme Court of India consisting of a Chief Justice of India. Clause 2 of Article 124 of the Constitution says that every judge of the Supreme Court shall be appointed by the President. Thus, in the absence of a constitutional provision, the procedure to appoint CJI relies on convention. Moreover, as a protocol, the senior-most judge of the Supreme Court is designated as the CJI. As per practice, a formal recommendation of the Chief Justice of India designate is sought from the incumbent CJI roughly about a month ahead of the latter's date of retirement. Now, if we talk about the seniority at the apex court is determined not by age but by the date a judge was appointed to the Supreme Court. If two judges are elevated to the Supreme Court on the same day, the one who was sworn in first as a judge would trump another. Secondly, if both were sworn in as judges on the same day, the one with more years of High Court service would win in the seniority stakes. And thirdly, an appointee from the bench would win in seniority than an appointee from the bar. Now, if we discuss about the role of the government in the appointment, the recommendation of the senior-most judge of Supreme Court is officially communicated by the incumbent CJI to the Ministry of Law and Justice, which then relays the communication to the Prime Minister as per the existing Memorandum of Procedure. The Prime Minister advises the President on the recommendation and the President subsequently makes the appointment under the powers conferred to her under Article 124, Clause 2 to make the appointments of the judges to India's top court. Now, if we talk about the tenure, there is no fixed tenure provided in the Constitution, and once appointed, the Chief Justice remains in the office until the age of 65 years. Now, the Article 124, Clause 4 of the Constitution of India lays down the procedure for removal of a judge of Supreme Court, which is applicable to the Chief Justices as well. So, the CJI can be removed only through a procedure of removal by the Parliament. So, this was a little bit about the topic. Now, let us take up one practice question on the same. Consider the following statements with reference to the appointment of Chief Justice of India. First, as per the convention, the senior-most judge of the Supreme Court is designated as the Chief Justice of India. Second, seniority at the Supreme Court is determined not by age, but by the date a judge was appointed to the Supreme Court. Which of these statements given above are correct? You can write your answers in the comment section below. So as we know, both the statements are correct. That is, the senior-most judge of the Supreme Court is designated as the Chief Justice of India. And secondly, the seniority at the Supreme Court is determined not by age, but by the date a judge was appointed to the Supreme Court. Hence, the correct answer is option C only. Well, with this, we call it a wrap of today's edition of Topic of the Day. I hope you liked the video. I will see you with some other topic tomorrow. Till then, take care and do stay tuned.